Hello and welcome back to Key Creations. Today I'm making a wreath for my son's teacher just to show her how much we really appreciate her for everything she's done for my son. My son is not able to attend school. He's special needs and he has a lot of issues going on. So the teacher comes out to our home and does his school with him here at home. So we really appreciate her. She's so kind and sweet and loving toward my son, and he really responds to her very well. So I just wanted to make a little something for her, so she'll know that she's appreciated. So the supplies that I'm using today are um, we're gonna use Tulle, and I have three different colors: yellow, blue, and red, and they're each 25 yards, and they're 6 inches wide. You're also gonna need this is an 11.8 inches of styrofoam wreath form. You're also going to need a piece of cardboard, and this cardboard is 16 inches long, and that's how we're going to measure out our pieces of tulle. You're also going to need a glue gun, scissors. You're going to need some cutters. We're also going to use this chalkboard sign here. And so we have chalk too. I also picked up some stickers that are, says teacher and different school themed stickers. We're also going to need pipe cleaners to attach the chalkboard to the wreath. And I also have flowers here. I don't know how much of this I'm going to use, but I'll let you know everything that I use. So if you stay with me, I'll be back and I'll show you how I made this wreath. Okay, so I have my piece of cardboard that is 16 inches long. And so what we're going to do is measure out the strips of tulle. So we'll have 16-inch strips. And so this is how it's done. So we'll start right here. We'll put the tulle here. Hold on to it and just wrap it around the cardboard. Now, I'm not sure how many strips I'm going to need right off, but I will let you know at the end of the video how many strips per color. So you just keep going like this and wrapping around. And I'll just do it a few more times. And just wrap it like this. Okay, so you're going to want to have like a nice sharp pair of scissors, which I really don't have, because you want to try to cut the tulle as straight as you can, so you'll have nice straight pieces. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it like this and cut right here at the top. Just cut straight across. Like that, okay? Hold on to this end right here because you have to cut the other side too. Hold on to it. And you're going to cut right up here. Just cut straight across. Okay? And your pieces will look like this. Okay? You're going to want to go through and cut your pieces like this for the other two colors too. And so I already have a few pieces placed on there, and the pattern that I'm using is red, blue, and yellow. So I'll just go all around this wreath form using red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Okay, so let me show you how I place this on. So you'll take your strip here, you'll wrap it around the styrofoam and make sure your pieces are even. Okay, and what I do is I just double knot. I just give it a double knot and kind of tie it on tight. Okay, and push pieces close together like that. Okay, and so I have my next piece, which is blue. So take it and make sure that they're straight, the ends, and just tie it. Double knot and slide it together. Okay, and we'll take our yellow piece and do the same thing. And all we'll do is just repeat the same process around the whole wreath form. And so I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to finish tying the rest of these strips onto the styrofoam. And I'm also going to figure out how I'm going to decorate it. And so I'll show you guys how it looks when I come back. Thank you. Okay, so I have all the tulle on the wreath, excuse me, and I ended up using one roll of tulle for each color, and it ended up being like 56 pieces for each color. So I trimmed it up a little bit, but I probably have to go back and trim a little bit more. I also added the flowers on. I hot glued the flowers onto here, and this butterfly. I also went ahead and put the stickers on the chalkboard, but I hot glued them down. Make sure they would stay better. They're stickers, but I hot glued them down. And I also put the pipe cleaners on the back of the sign, the chalkboard. And how I did that was I took a pipe cleaner and folded it in half, and I took my hot glue gun and just put like a few globs of hot glue around the pipe cleaner and on top of it, and held it in place, and let the hot glue soak in a little bit. And then I did this in 4 places, and it's pretty sturdy, and it'll hold this chalkboard. It's pretty thin and lightweight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach the chalkboard. So what you're gonna do is, put this piece of pipe cleaner around and move your tool out the way and tighten it up. Now you want to get all 4 sides on there pretty good, and then go back and really tighten it up after you make sure all your pipe cleaners are in the right place where you want them. So we'll move this tool out the way. We'll put this here. Okay. We'll come down here on the bottom. We'll do the same thing. Move the tool out the way. And we got this last side here. Tool. And tighten it up. Okay, come back over here and kind of adjust the sign a little bit. And make sure that your pipe cleaners are, turned towards the back so you don't see them. It's good to use the same color pipe cleaners as the Tulle, so to kind of blend in, but okay, that's it. Okay, so the last thing I want to do is take my chalk and I just want to write thank you on here. And that's it. So I'll hang this up and let you guys really see what it looks like. Not showing that real good, but I'll hang it up and let you guys see what it looks like. So thank you all for watching my video. And if you would please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You guys have a blessed day.